Hey guys. Hey guys. Hi everybody. Hey guys, we're rolling out. Hey guys, we're rolling out today. I have to go to Goodwill and drop off my donations. And here's that purse we got from you guys got those purses for $3 and $5 out of Walmart earlier this year. That's it. It's so cute. I love it. Okay, so I'm checking out some donations here, make sure I have everything. Let's go around. I got 2 boxes back here. All right, so let's roll out. Hey fam, I just pulled up to Aldi. I have up to $25 to spend this week, so let's see what we can get in Aldi. I have 25, but I really only want to spend 20, so let's see what's going on. Hey family. Hey everybody, Tanya here, and I just got back from Aldi and I got everything that I like from there. Let's see, I got some white bread. It was 50 cents. A dozen large eggs was like $1.12. And chickpeas, I think, were 79 cents. I got some breakfast sausage. So I'll have, like for breakfast, I got some breakfast sausages. How many is in here? Like 12, 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So we got sausage, eggs, a little bread. Okay, now I got, of course, you can't go wrong with the chicken leg quarters. But these, I got 4 in here for $4.94 for $5. Now you used to be able to get this stuff 59 cents. Now it's $1.19 a pound. So here's 4 pounds of chicken leg quarters. That was the best thing going in there. And then English cucumbers, Roma tomatoes, broccoli, romaine lettuce, and some scallions and chickpeas. And I spent $16.46. My objective, I had up to $25. I really only wanted to spend 20, so I knew I was getting close. So without, having my calculator, I just I got all these are my basics. Didn't get any fruit this week, but that's okay. So I'll be good. All right, so we're gonna have to create some magic. I already got the breakfast. We got salads and, make soup and then eat the chicken and chickpeas. So I'll have a, carnivore. I have a little bit of vegan. I have a little bit of vegetarian I can work with, okay? So I'll be back with the meal prep. Okay guys, I spent $20 this week for meals, and I'm talking breakfast, lunch, and dinner. I got eggs, I got some chicken breast tenderloins. I'm doing my salad prep first. I like to make sure I chop my vegetables. I got some pears, So I like to put about 2 cups of lettuce into each container. And this is romaine. They had a good deal on romaine, and I had some coupons, so I'm just fill them all up. Okay. Just try to make it as even as possible. That's good. As long as I got 5 out of it, I'm good. I'll take care of the rest. Okay, and then let's put some English cucumbers right here. I hope you guys are doing well. And I just want to encourage you just to live tastefully for less. You know, you can get the things you want. I read the ads and get out there when I can. And I need to chop up the rest of this English cucumber. Sorry about the rustling of my my gloves. So that's the worst comments I always get. It's like, those gloves are annoying. Okay, and then I already sliced up some tomatoes here. These are Roma tomatoes. You know, you can get those pretty cheap. I got about 4 for a little over $1. And I am married. Sometimes hubby, he eats, my dietary needs are different, but he'll eat what I eat most of the time. You know, there's certain things I can just go on and just make for me. I can get the salads, and he'll eat a small salad. But right now, the emphasis right now is just me. Some onions here. I got one red onion. And just slice it thinly, and I can have that all week long. So you got that. Okay. And then I got chickpeas also. So I'll either, like, I think I'm gonna fry up like my chicken strips, and you know, like have, if you ever heard of Zaxby's, like have a fried house salad, have a hot fried house Tanya salad. Fry up for chicken strips one day. I'm gonna have, like, if I eat breakfast, I'll have what will I have? I'll have eggs, maybe couple of times a week. If I get in good 2 meals, I'm good. Okay, now I just gotta find the tops to my salads and my other 2 salads, and that chore will be done. I can come in and eat a salad. Everything's already prepped. Kitchen's clean. I don't have to do a whole lot of messing up dishes and stuff like that. Okay guys, I added cheese to my salad. So I have 5 that I'll have all week long. I might eat one every other day. I don't know, but things, you know, I have plenty to eat. And so now that that's done, I'll put these in the fridge and I'll top them with what I have left. I got chickpeas, I got rice, and I'll be cooking that up and I'll show you guys. I got chicken. Yeah, so that's everything. If you were to eat this out, if you would just have this salad, one of these, that's $10 right there. And I'm able to get 5 and a whole week's worth of food by shopping smartly, making sure that I'm reading the ads, okay? Okay, I got 4 of the chicken strips done. 4 are cooking. And while I wait on those to finish cooking, I'll show you my breast cancer awareness tablescape for luncheon. And that's going to be a few days. And here are the napkins. Someone asked me, so I did a video on how to do breast cancer ribbon napkin. Okay, so that's what's going on there. So that's done. Okay, I'm just waiting on these last 2. And I pulled out one of those salads that I made. So I'm going to have a couple of these strips with this salad, some water. I'll be fine. I'll have a, like tomorrow, I'll have a smoothie. I'll have a brunch and a dinner. I'm still working that out. But guys, when I do these videos, I pretty much just show you what I'm eating. But hubby and I, like he's being more of a pescatarian now, and I don't eat fish. And he's pretty much, he'll eat mostly meat. I'll have to like make a salad, make some vegetables, then he'll eat them. But we pretty much eat the same thing. But on filming days, I just try to, keep him out of it, because he has some videos on my channel where he makes some delicious seafood dishes, crab legs and stuff like that. And yes, this is a paper bag. That's what I use paper bags for. I'll buy them. I use them to coat my food. I'll use them to drain my food. I love paper bags. And just throw them away when you're done. And these aren't environmentally unsafe. Okay. So that. And I still in that pack of chicken breast tenderloin. There's still 8 more. And I'm mostly vegetable. You'll see I'll add a little meat to my vegetables. And hubby's mostly, he's all meat, protein, pretty much. And so the other days of the week, so I make sure that I'm straight, and then, we'll get him straight. Okay, so we got that done. Because we know we're going to eat 2 or 3 times a day, so we need to go on and plan for it to some degree.